Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to back up and restore your WhatsApp message without lost anything. Okay, let's start. This is my current message. So as you see here, and let's jump to the procedure. Go to the setting, go to your WhatsApp settings. Scroll down into the chat option, then you will see here chat backup. Then here you will find that maybe the account is not already selected as mine, but you can select here. So when you use your Gmail, just choose your prospective Gmail, which will be saved there. Then as you see my Gmail account there. Another one important thing, just make sure that if you use Wi-Fi you can continue, but if you use your cellular data you can tune here. So when you see it is off, just tune on, then continue. Come here and your frequency, you will see maybe never. So if frequency is never option, then you will never be backed up by anything. As you see, it will remain none backup. But when you choose anything among here, it will start. So let me choose only when I tap backup. Yeah, then tap backup. Okay, do you see it is processing? Yeah, here already. So after that, my friend, you can log in to the another WhatsApp that you want to use. Okay.